Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a Jura compressor J5. This machine just needed a tune-up, and that was basically it. We just deep cleaned the brew group, and as you can see, steamer is working perfectly fine. So we just deep cleaned the brew group, which was completely clogged with coffee and a bunch of other stuff in there. So right now it's really clean. It's just to test the steamer and the hot water. We're gonna do a shot right now. Since it was programmed to be over 2 ounces and this is just only a 2 ounces cup, I had to stop it manually, but as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Thank you so much for preparing Canning Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.